Welcome back everyone, Mudford here, working on the Ford Freestyle again today. My wife has had problems with the shifter again. Check out my other video, I kind of just started to get into it, but I figured out what's wrong with it now, and I think I have it fixed, at least for now. So I was able to purchase this shifter for it from a local junkyard for 45 bucks. And you don't really need the whole shifter, but that's kind of the way a lot of places will sell things. A lot of junkyards won't separate things like that. All I need to fix it is the handle on the shifter. So I'll show you what happened to the one that we have. So here's the shifter handle. Pop the cover off. And hopefully you can see down in here there is a white piece that's on a pivot. So when you push the button in, it pivots down. It pushes down that rod right there and releases the shifter. This had gotten cracked right at the base here and here. And it lets this flex. I'm going to try to show you exactly how this happens. Here's how the shifter is supposed to work. When you push the button in the front, like I'm doing right now, it's going to pivot that plastic piece, white piece, right there, and it's going to push that rod down, just like that. The piece right there is going to push right on the top of it, and that releases it and lets the shifter move. When this is broken, what happens is, I don't know if you can see it now, that white piece is now in front of the shifter rod instead of on top of it. So as I push the button in, it's just going to slide down it and not push it down, or it's going to just be jammed. Nothing will happen there. It slid down now, so now the button's loose. The button isn't doing anything, and that piece is rocked down. And the only thing you can do is get in there and flip that plastic piece back up and get it back up on top. But it's going to keep happening because of the flex here like this. At that point, you need at least a different shifter handle, which is what I put in for her. The shifter handle comes out real easy. If you go to one of the U-pick yards, the only thing you need to take with you is a 3mm Allen wrench. And all you got to do is take this screw out. And this whole assembly comes off. Put the new one on, make sure it's in place, and if you look close you can see the threads. And you're good to go.